A tax clearance certificate is a document issued by the tax authority to a taxpayer indicating the amount of tax which has been paid and the income or profits on which the tax has been assessed. The certificate is the tax authority way of confirming that a taxpayer affairs are in order. The TCC contains personal information such as name and address, the tax period covered, the amount of tax paid or assessed, the type of income assessed, outstanding tax if any, details of the taxpayer for the last 3 years. The tax clearance certificate covers a period of 12 months. This period is known as the tax year or the year of assessment. Therefore, a taxpayer requires tax clearance for every 12 months, that is a year of assessment. For example, a 2023 TCC would show your taxes paid on income for the year 2022, 2021, and 2020, while a 2022 TCC will show taxes paid on your income for the year 2021, 2022, and 2019. TCCs are issued by the state tax authority for individuals and non-incorporated businesses trading as sole proprietorship or partnership. Thus, each of the 36 states of the Federal Republic of Nigeria has a tax authority generally known as the State Internal Revenue Service. For a taxpayer to be entitled or eligible for tax clearance, 3 steps must be completed. First, the taxpayer must be registered with the relevant tax authority, either the state or federal, with a valid or appropriate taxpayer identification number. Individuals and unincorporated businesses in Lagos, for example, must have a valid LIRS personal identification number, popularly known as payer ID, PID. Second, taxpayer must have filed all outstanding and due tax returns with relevant tax authority and remit the taxes due on such returns. Typical returns usually include computation of taxes due to the relevant tax authority for the period covered. Third is that a taxpayer must file an application for TCC with the relevant tax authority. Tax clearance certificate is processed within 2 weeks where there are no outstanding issues with the relevant tax authority. There are quite a number of transactions that requires a tax clearance certificate, but to mention a few, we have 1. Registration for motor vehicle. 2. Application for certificate of occupancy. 3. Application for registration of award of contracts of government, its agencies or registered companies. 4. Application for approval for a building plan. 5. Stamping of guarantors form for a Nigerian passport. 6. Application for registration of a limited liability company or a business name. 7. Application for a plot of land. And most importantly, in recent time, application for foreign exchange to remit funds outside Nigeria. Affected transactions under these are school fees payment, medical bills payment, personal travel allowance, personal own remittances, and all foreign exchange transactions for individual customers.